Write a program to take details from a student for ID card and then print in different lines. So name equal to input the name of the student, age equal to int, input the age of the student, grade input the grade of the students, email equal to input the email of the students, and then print student ID card, print name, print age, print grade, print email. So when I open PyCharm, here I have type here all the details of name, age, grade, emails. So when I run code, name of the student, so here I will type here name of the student is Luis. Age is 33, grade is 88, and address is luis@gmail.com. Next question is write a program to convert a float into integers. Here I have x equal to 15.5. When I print x, then I got 15.5. And when I want to find type of x, print type of x, then I got class float. And after that x equal to int x, because we want to convert a float into integer. So here I will type x equal to int x and then print x and then print type of x. Let's go to PyCharm. Here I will type here x equal to 15.2 and then print x and then print type of x. When I run code, here I have when I print x, then I got the answer 15.5 and it will show us class float. And then I will type here x equal to int and then print x and then print type of x. When I go to run code and then I got the answers here 15.2 and then class float, and after convert float value into an integer I got 15 and it shows class int. The next question is write a program to take an user's input as integer, then convert it to float. Here I have a equal to int, input, enter a number. Here print a. When I print a, I type here 30. After type here print type of a, I got the answers class int. And after that a equal to float a, print after conversion comma a, then I got 30.0 because before I have the value in an integer format and the after I have in float. So here is class float. When I go to PyCharm, here I type here a equal to int, input, enter a number here, then print a and print type of a. When I run code, I will type here for example whatever value I want to find. If I will type here 30, so here I have 30 and int class int, and after a equal to float A, and then print after print type of A. When I run code, when I type here 30, here I have 30, it's a class int, and after conversions it's a 30.0 and it convert into float, class float.